What is gamification? Gamification is a game-based approach to learning in which students interact with content through online applications that challenge students to solve problems, collaborate, compete, and demonstrate academic growth through new levels and virtual rewards. In understanding the amount of time students devote to video games, schools are beginning to focus attention to these platforms in which students are engaging in and outside of the classroom. The idea is that the virtual challenge of a game will develop students that are equipped for the future career industries. Educational developers have been researching the correlation between the amount of time spent playing video games and gamers' motivational drive, optimism, collaboration, and adaptability. Students build a healthy sense of competition and trust amongst their peers through the social interaction of these educational games and strategies. The elements of gaming, such as points, digital badges, and leaderboards, connect the socialization of learning with online interactions. Teachers are integrating popular games like Minecraft to engage students in a variety of topics and teach their content. Gamification is being integrated in subjects like social studies, where interactive games are replacing traditional textbooks. In 2009, Justice Sandra Day O'Connor founded iCivics to teach students about U.S. government through gamification. Students learn how the U.S. government functions through challenges that require them to apply what they've learned to a virtual scenario. Through her innovative concept of using games to teach civic education, she's inspiring a generation of students to take an active role in their citizenship and developing a foundation of knowledge about how our democracy operates. In my own visual art classes, I'm implementing game-based strategies through online art challenges that require students to solve design problems through online tools. Students have real-world design problems, work collaboratively in creative teams with specific roles and responsibilities. Students can earn points based on their level of creativity and adaptability of their design. The Museum of Modern Art has a website of online interactive games for kids. What I like about this online resource is that it gives students a virtual field trip experience of traveling to New York City to the MoMA. Once students arrive at the MoMA, they choose a location of the museum to begin their visit. Then they are presented with an artwork that goes through 4 different stages of inquiry and application. In summary, game-based learning has the potential to provide students with interactive enrichment of content that can deepen understanding, increase their drive to improve, and strengthen students' ability to adapt to new learning environments and challenges.